Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Pilot's launch of 10 RTX 40 Super Series graphics card model. So friend, Pilot announced the upcoming release of 10 graphics card model featuring NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 40 Super Series GPU. So friend, the GeForce RTX 4070 Super Series includes 3 models, 3 GeForce RTX 4070 Super Dual, GeForce RTX 4070 Super Dual OC, GeForce RTX 4070 Super JetStream OC. The first two belong to the Dual series, noted for their dual 95mm fans and customizable covers compatible with 3D printing. So far, the GeForce RTX 4070 Super JetStream OC, part of the JetStream series, features a unique triple fan cooler, and these models are scheduled for global release starting 17 January. And friend, in the GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super category, there are 4 models: GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super JetStream OC, GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super Gaming Pro, GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super Gaming Pro OC, and the white variant, the GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super Gaming Pro White OC. These models incorporate triple fan coolers with high airflow and steady pressure fans known as Gale Hunter Fans, and this global market launch slated for 24th January. The GeForce RTX 4080 Super series comprise 3 models: the GeForce RTX 4080 Super JetStream OC, GeForce RTX 4080 Super Gaming Pro, and GeForce RTX 4080 Super Gaming Pro OC. These models scheduled for global release on January 31st, offer advanced cooling performance featuring suitable for a range of computing needs. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.